everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend and a first NFL Sunday yesterday. A lot of good games on. I thought the Patriots played okay. Very tough opponent, obviously, and I thought they played okay despite some early mistakes. So we'll see how the season goes, but a lot of exciting stuff, and certainly not the weather. The weather has not been exciting as of late. But checking in here Monday with our interest rate update and various program offerings, some unique programs, which I'm going to talk about today. So moving on to rates, conforming rates, 30-year fixed rate, loan amounts, $726,000 or less, 1 point. 30-year fixed is at 6.825. 20-year is at 6.625. 15-year is at 6.25. Jumbo above 726,000, 1 point. 30-year fixed, 6.875. 10-year arms, 6.75. 7-year arms, 6.625, and 5-year arms, 6.5. The rates do change day to day. They've been relatively flat, I would say, over the last couple of weeks. So we're all still hoping and waiting for these rates to come down, and I think at some point that will happen. It's just a matter of timing at this point. So moving on, some unique programs that we offer at CrossCountry Mortgage that I think sometimes get neglected or overlooked that I want to touch base on quickly. So the first one is our non-QM full doc program. So if you have a client that generally meets conventional guidelines, but there's something unique about their scenario. I have an example of someone that became self-employed halfway through last year. That would not fit conventional or FHA because they don't have 2 years self-employment. They don't even have 1 year on their tax return. And we can do that loan as a full documentation, non-QM loan program on which we're the lender. We have asset qualifier loans for clients that have high assets, but they don't have a lot of income and they want to take a mortgage. Bank statement programs for self-employed borrowers who don't claim a high net income on their federal tax return, but can demonstrate high revenue using 6, 12, or 24 months of business or personal bank statements. We have a doctor's loan program for new physicians that are coming out of medical school, high student loans. They don't have a big down payment yet, but they want to buy a $1 or $2 million house because their income is jumping up. We have great options there. Foreign national loans with as little as 25% down, no credit score, no residency, no employment authorization, that they want to buy an investment property for themselves or for a child to live in. We have great products for that scenario. Investment properties. I'm unemployed. I want to buy an investment property. We'll lend based off the rental income solely of the property they're buying. That's a debt service coverage ratio loan. 1099 loans, similar to a bank statement loan, but I don't claim a lot of high net income on my tax return, but I have a high income showing on my 1099 form before all my deductions. We can lend off of the 1099 income that's claimed. So we have a lot of unique program offerings and all the standard stuff, FHA, VA, conventional, renovation, jumbo, new construction loans. So if you have any questions about a client or want a quick pre-approval, we're always available 24/7. We really appreciate your business and look forward to hopefully a nice boost in business over the next 60 days this fall. So thanks for tuning in and look forward to talking with you all soon. TheMarquisTeam.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.